नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, ओयासिस करिअर पॉईंटच्या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये आपलं स्वागत आहे। या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पाहणार आहोत TET पेपर क्रमांक 2 साठी अत्यंत महत्त्वाचा असणारा विषय म्हणजे इंग्रजी व्याकरण। या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण 2013 ते 2020 मध्ये झालेले जे TETचे पेपर आहेत, पेपर क्रमांक 2 या पेपरमधील इंग्रजी व्याकरणावर आधारित आलेले सर्व प्रश्न म्हणजे एकूण 180 प्रश्नांचा एकच व्हिडिओ आपण बनवत आहोत, जो व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला येणाऱ्या TET एक्झामसाठी अत्यंत उपयुक्त ठरणार आहे। या अगोदर आपण 2013 2014 अशा सर्वचे सर्व म्हणजे एकूण 6 वर्षाच्या 6 प्रश्नपत्रिकावर इंग्रजीचं टोटल ॲनालिसिस करणारे व्हिडिओ बनवलेले आहेत। म्हणजे ज्यांना कोणाला शंका आहे ते त्या लिंकमध्ये जाऊन व्हिडिओ बघू शकतात। याच व्हिडिओच्या डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये त्या 6ही व्हिडिओच्या लिंक मी दिलेल्या आहेत, तिथे जाऊन तुम्ही डिटेल डिस्क्रिप्शन बघू शकता। हा व्हिडिओ मात्र तुम्हाला येणाऱ्या एक्झामसाठी एक मार्गदर्शनपर ठरावा, सराव व्हावा या उद्देशाने या व्हिडिओमध्ये 180 प्रश्नांचा धावता आढावा घेण्याचा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे।
2020 मध्ये झालेला पेपर आपण बघूत। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, सिलेक्ट द सुटेबल आर्टिकल्स फॉर द गिवन सेंटेन्स। माय फ्रेंड ऑलवेज लाइक टू ट्रॅव्हल बाय डॅश डॅश ईयर सिन्स ही इज डॅश डॅश व्हेरी बिझी मॅन। आपलं करेक्ट आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन नंबर 3, नो आर्टिकल आणि अ। आता हे सेंटेन्स जेव्हा आपण पर्याय टाकून बघू तेव्हा कसं तयार होईल, इथे नो आर्टिकल आहे आणि इथं अ आहे। मग बघा आपण सेंटेन्स परत एकदा रीड करू, काय होईल, माय फ्रेंड ऑलवेज लाइक टू ट्रॅव्हल बाय ईयर सिन्स ही इज अ व्हेरी बिझी मॅन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, choose the correct prepositions for the given sentence. You must account dash dash your absence dash dash the hostel warden. Option बघा, for, to, to by, about, for, of, to. आपलं करेक्ट आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट, फॉर, टू। सेंटेन्स काय तयार होईल बघा, आपण ऑप्शन टाकून रीड करू, यू मस्ट अकाउंट फॉर your absence to the hostel warden. बघा नेक्स्ट काय दिलं, आपलं पॅसेज दिला आहे, रीड द फॉलोइंग पॅसेज केअरफुली अँड सिलेक्ट द मोस्ट करेक्ट आन्सर ऑफ द गिवन क्वेश्चन्स 3 to 7। आपण पॅसेजचे डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आणि आन्सर घेऊयात। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आन्सर आहे 2 नंबर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 करेक्ट आन्सर आहे आपल्या क्वेश्चनचं ऑप्शन नंबर 4। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 करेक्ट आन्सर ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 करेक्ट आन्सर ऑप्शन नंबर 3। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 करेक्ट ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, choose the word nearest in the meaning to the underlined word given sentence. Nearest meaning synonym. The 5 experiments have disparate results: similar, encouraging, strange, different. Our correct answer is option number 4, different. Next question, choose the correct opposite words: frailty, fatigue, strength, health, boldness. Correct answer is strength, option number 2nd. Next question, fill in the blank with appropriate passive form of the verb. Passive form. Sentence, he dash dash if we think it necessary, has been interviewed, will be interviewed, would have been interviewed, had been interviewed. Correct answer is will be interviewed, option number 2nd. Next question, choose the correct alternative to fill in the blank. He will win the race if he practices running regularly. Option number 4. Next question, choose the alternative showing the correct indirect narration of the given direct speech. Sentence is, don't answer me back like that, said Rohit to Radha. Our correct answer is option number 3. Rohit ordered Radha not to answer him back like that. या क्वेश्चनचे डिटेल डिस्क्रिप्शन हवा असल्यास आपण इयर वाईज व्हिडिओ फिल्म आहेत. डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये त्याची लिंक दिली आहे, तुम्ही तिथं जाऊन ऑप्शन वाईज डिस्क्रिप्शन बघू शकता. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आयडेंटिफाय द फिगर ऑफ स्पीच इन द फॉलोइंग लाइन. टू err is human, to forgive divine, anticlimax, antithesis, oxymoron, metaphor. Our correct answer is option number 2, antithesis. Next question, identify the part of speech which has an error. When he was tired, he took rest under the shade of tree. No error. Our correct answer is option number 2, B. Next question, name the underlined clause given sentence. I shall go to the place where my friend lives. Adverb clause of place, noun clause, adverb clause of time, adjective clause. Our correct answer is option number 4, adjective clause. Next question, select the combination. Select the combination of numbers so that the parts arranged accordingly will a meaningful sentence. Meaningful sentence बनवायचा आहे. Western countries are less spoiled by pollution than the one in Indian beaches. Our correct answer is option number 1. Next question, state part of speech. State what part of speech is underlined word. He was all alone when I saw him. Adverb, adjective, pronoun, noun. Correct answer is adverb. Next question, what does the underlined modal auxiliary express? Modal auxiliary express she must have left already. Obligation, necessity, logical certainty, desirability. Our correct answer is logical certainty, option number 3. Next question, which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched as one word substitution? One word substitution pairs. One who hates mankind, misanthrope. One who helps the poor and needy, philanthropist. One who collects or studies stamps, philatelist. One who hates woman, philanderer. Our correct answer is option number 4. One who hates woman, philanderer. Choose the one which is correct question tag for the given sentence. Neither of them is good. Correct answer is are they. Means sentence neither of them is good, comma, are they, finally question tag. Next question, choose the misspelled word. Misspelled word subsidiary. Choose the alternative which best expresses the underlined phrase rust has eaten away the plate. Corroded, consumed, conflicted and swallowed. Correct answer is corroded. Select the combination of numbers so that alphabets arranged accordingly will a meaningful word. Correct answer is option number 2. Next question, choose the grammatically correct sentence. Choose the grammatically correct sentence. She is strong enough to carry the box. She is too strong to carry the box. She is enough strong to carry the box. She is strong to carry the box. Correct answer is the grammatically correct sentence is first. She is strong enough to carry the box. Next question, choose the alternative. 31 cannon were fired to greet the royal guest. Second, for special peace and harmony, we should all observe the canons of morality. Correct answer is both A and B are correct. Next question, choose the odd man out. Deer, sheep, swine, elephant. Our correct answer is elephant. Next question, choose the alternative which best expresses the meaning of the underlined idiom. Parents pay through their nose for the children's education by taking loans an extremely high price, grudgingly, willingly. Our correct answer is an extremely high price. Next question, If Sunidhi has tumor in her body, who will treat her? Radiologist, gynecologist, oncologist, osteopath. Our correct answer is oncologist. तुम्हाला या क्वेश्चनची डिटेल चारही पर्यायाची माहिती हवी असल्यास तुम्ही आपण जे डिटेल ॲनालाइज केलं आहे तो व्हिडिओ बघू शकता. इयर वाईज डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये तुम्हाला लिंक दिलेली आहे. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ रेटोरिकल क्वेश्चन? Is it fair to misspell parents? Are you willing to join our group? Can you speak English fluently? Have you visited the Taj Mahal? Correct answer is option number first A. Last question. Choose the correct simple sentence for the given sentence. The tried to persuade the principal denied their request. Our correct answer is option number third. Despite their trying to persuade the principal, he denied their request. दोन 2018 मध्ये झालेल्या पेपरवर आपण चर्चा करू. Select the word which best expresses the meaning of the underlined words in the given sentence. Raju is interested in the medical science which is related to the study and treatment of the disease of the skin. Pediatrics, dermatology, neurology, gynecology. Our correct answer is dermatology. Next question. Select the correct antonym of the extravagant. Antonym of the extravagant. Sensible, careful, economical, balanced. Our correct answer is economical. Next question. Name of the part of speech of the underlined word. He is an old man but honest. Preposition, conjunction, adjective, adverb. Correct answer is option number second, conjunction. Choose the correct preposition in the given sentence. She is sitting dash dash her mother and father. Among, between, in, at. Correct answer is between. Next question. Name the figure of speech in the following line. A sea of people listen to the leader. Antithesis, personification, metaphor, simile. The correct answer is option number 3, metaphor. Next question. Select the correct active voice sentence of the given sentence. Active voice. Let the door be opened. To open the door, open the door, open the door, to be opened the door. Correct answer is open the door. It is a active voice and it is a passive voice. Next question. Choose the correct comparative degree for the given sentence. Sentence is very few judicial systems in the world are as good as Indian judicial system. Correct answer is 4. Option number 4. Indian judicial system is better than most other judicial systems in the world. Next question. Choose the correct modal auxiliary showing strong obligation. Correct answer is option number 2. Soldier must be obey orders without questions. Next question. Choose the correct use of enough in the following sentence. Correct answer is she is strong enough to walk 5 miles every day. Next question. Select the most appropriate alternative to fill in the blank. What are you dash dash in the kitchen cupboard? Looking in, looking on, looking after, looking for. Correct answer is looking for. Next, read the following passage carefully and select the most correct answer of the given questions. Question 11 to 15. 11 number, correct answer is option number 3. Question number 12, correct answer is option number 2. 13 number, correct option is option number 2. 14 number, correct option is option number 1st. 15 number, correct option is option number 4. Next question. Choose the one which is best expresses the meaning of the idiom underlined. His singing took the audience by storm. Made happy, praised, captivative, danced. Correct answer is captivated. Next question. Select the most appropriate alternative. Dash dash computer allows to deal with dash dash lot of data quickly. The, and. Correct answer is option number 3, the. Once again we read the sentence, filling article. The computer allows to deal with a lot of data quickly. Next question. Fill in the blank with the most suitable alternative to make the sentence meaningfully complete. If we tried hard. Correct answer is option number 2, we would succeed. Next question. Select the grammatically correct sentence from the given sentence. Grammatically correct. Our correct answer is option number 3. English is one of the most important languages today. ऑप्शन नंबर 1 रॉंग, 2 रॉंग, 3 रॉंग. आता हे का चूक आहे, ग्रॅमॅटिकली का इनकरेक्ट आहे, याचं डिटेल डिस्क्रिप्शन तुम्हाला इयर वाईज मध्ये मिळून जाईल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द क्राय ऑफ गोट इज कॉल्ड ग्राउल, बुज, क्रॉक, ब्लिट. करेक्ट आन्सर इज ब्लिट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Rearrange the part of the sentence which are labeled P, Q, R, S to make the meaningful sentence. About 2000 years ago in the south of India, an old king ruled over his kingdom called Raja Raman. Correct answer is Q, P, R, S. Option number 1. Next question. Find out part of speech sentence with an error. The young child from the international school sang at a very sweet song on the stage yesterday. No error. Our correct answer is option number 2, B. Next question. Identify the underlined clause in the given sentence. It looks as if it might rain. Noun clause, adjective clause, adverb clause of result. Correct answer is adverb clause of manner. Next question. Select the combination of numbers so that letter arranged accordingly will form meaningful word. Correct answer is option number 2. Next question. Choose the correct use of used to in the given sentence. He would get up before dawn his school day. Correct answer is option number 1. He used to get up before dawn in his school days. Next question. Select one which the best expresses the following sentence in indirect narration. How amazing it is, I said. Correct answer is 2. I exclaimed that it was very amazing. Next question. Choose the correct question tag for the given sentence. Manorama cannot complete her work in time. Can Manorama, cannot see, can see, cannot Manorama. Correct answer is can see. Next question. Select the correct compound sentence for the given sentence. He must work hard to make up for the lost time. Correct answer is option number 2. He must work very hard and make up for the lost time. Next question. Choose the correct spelled out. Correct answer is option number 4, heterogeneous. Last question. Select the word which is nearest in the meaning of the underlined word in the sentence. He was caught in a heavy blizzard, tempest, snow from the very strong winds, dangerous snowfall, storm in the desert. Correct answer is option number 2, snowstorm with the very strong winds. 2017चा पेपर बघूत. चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्ह टू फिल इन द ब्लँक. कम इन नाव, आय एम सॉरी, डॅश डॅश, यू वेटिंग, टू कीप, फॉर कीपिंग, केप्ट, टू हॅव केप्ट. करेक्ट आन्सर इज टू हॅव केप्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Choose the alternative showing the correct indirect narration for the given direct speech. My brother said to me, let's go out for walk. Correct answer is option number 3. My brother proposed to me that we should go out for walk. Next question. Identify the figure of speech in the following line. Variety is the spice of life. Metaphor, simile, personification, synecdoche. Correct answer is metaphor. Next question. Identify the part of the sentence which has an error. I asked him, how could he go out if I started raining? No error. Correct answer is option number 2, B. Name the underlined clause in the given sentence. I asked him when he would go for his office. noun clause, adjective clause, adverb clause of time, adverb clause of place. Correct answer is noun clause. Next question. Choose the one of which is correct question tag for the given sentence. None can ruin me. Can any? Can one? Can't they? Can they? Correct answer is can they. Next question. Choose the misspelled word. Magnificent. Next question. Choose the alternative which is the best expresses the underlined phrase. I hope it will not put you out. Put you out if I am late. Correct answer is irritate you. Irritate you. Next question. Select the combination of numbers so that alphabets are arranged according will form meaningful word. Correct answer is option number 4. Next question. Select the combination of numbers so that the past arranged according will form a meaningful sentence. A serious threat to of wildlife for pleasure, food, skin, horns, tusk, extra purchase, uncontrolled hunting, the survival of wildlife. Correct answer is option number 2. Next question. Read the following passage carefully and select the most correct answer of the given sentence. 11 to 15. Question number 11. Correct answer is option number 2, self-esteem. Question number 12. Correct answer is option number 4. Next question. Question number 13. Correct answer is option number 2. Question number 14. Correct answer is option number 1. Next question. 15. Option number 3 is correct answer. Next question. Select the suitable article for the given sentence. Dash dash word to dash dash wise is sufficient. The correct answer is option number 2, the. Sentence is a word to the wise is sufficient. Next question. Choose the correct preposition for the given sentence. Never judge dash dash a metal dash dash its glitter, as all that glitters is not gold. At from, at with, by, off by, off by. Correct answer is off by. Never judge of a metal by its glitter, as all that glitters is not gold. Next question. Choose the word nearest in the meaning to the underlined word in the given sentence. It was an astute move to sell the property at the stage. Unwise, dishonesty, inexplicable, shrewd. Correct answer is shrewd. Next question. Choose the most opposite in the meaning of the given word. Naive, cunning, wealthy, sophisticated, complicated. Correct answer is sophisticated. Next question. Fill in the blank with the appropriate passive form of the verb from the alternative supplied. How? Correct answer of the sentence is how is the parcel being sent? Option number 3. Next question. State what part of speech is the underlined word. None but the brave deserve the fair. None but the brave deserve the fair. Adverb, preposition, conjunction, relative pronoun. Correct answer is preposition. Next question. Why does the understand modal auxiliary express I will carry your books? Probability, volition, request, habit. Correct answer is volition. Next question. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched as one word substitution? One who thinks only of oneself, egoist. One who knocks at anything people do, cynic. One who is carefully about detail correction, fastidious. One who cannot be corrected, incorrectable. Our answer is option number 4. One who not be corrected, incorrectable. Next question. Choose the grammatically correct sentence. Grammatically correct sentence. If you were a millionaire, how would you spend your time? Our answer is option number 1. Option number 2, option number 3, option number 4. why are wrong, please go to the description box and see the year wise paper. Next question, choose the correct alternative. There are too many literary illusions in the poet of T.S. Eliot. Many Indian philosophers believe life to be an illusion. Correct answer is only B is correct. Next question, choose the odd man, police, gentry, sentry, peasantry. Correct answer is sentry. Next question, choose the alternative which is the best expresses the meaning of the underlined idiom. The host team bore the palm in the league matches. Correct answer is was victorious. Next question, if Rahul's teeth are uneven, whom should he visit? Orthodontist, osteopath, oncologist, crepodist. Correct answer is orthodontist. Option number first. Next question, which of the following is a rhetorical question? How can one achieve success? How can one betray one's nation? Can one pass IAS exam? Can one succeed without hard work? Correct answer is option number 3, B and D. Last question, choose the correct complex sentence for the given sentence. He will not be allowed to sit in the examination hall. He does not carry the hall ticket. Correct answer is option number 4. Unless he carries the hall ticket, he will not be allowed to sit in the examination hall. Next year question, read the following passage carefully and select the most correct answer. Question 1st to 5. Question number 1st, correct answer is option number 1st. Question number 2nd, correct option is option number 3. Question number 3, correct answer is option number 1st. Question number 4, correct answer is option number 2nd. Question number 5, correct answer is option number 4. Next question, choose the correct preposition in the given sentence. Pune city recorded 41.8 mm rain dash dash the 3 hours dash dash 5:30 p.m. and 8:30 p.m. Our correct answer is in between, option number 2nd. Next question, select the suitable article to the given sentence. England is dash dash Iceland surrounded by dash dash English Channel. The, and a. Correct answer is and the, option number 3. England is an island surrounded by the English Channel. Next question, find out the correct spelled. Correct spelling is option number 1st, miscellaneous. Next question, name of the part of speech, underline word. Alas, he is dead in accident. Pronoun, conjunction, adjective, interjection. Correct option is interjection, option number 4. Fill in the blank with most suitable pronoun. Had no finery except her wedding ring. She had. Correct answer is option number 4. Choose the one which can be substituted for the given sentence. Specialist in disorders of nerve system. Neurologist, orthopedist, dermatologist, gynecologist. Correct answer is neurologist. Neurologist is a specialist in disorder of nerve system. Next question, identify the figure of speech in the following sentence. The soul was like a star and dwelt apart. Antithesis, metaphor, simile, personification. Our correct answer is simile. Next question, identify the part of sentence which has an error. No sooner did the teacher enter the class, the children stopped shouting. Correct answer is option number 3, C. Next question, name of the underlined clause in the given sentence. We realize the condition in which we are living in all these days. Noun clause, adjective clause, adverb clause of manner. Correct answer is adjective clause. Next question, choose the correct alternative to fill in the blanks. The army dash dash called to carry dash dash rescue operation. Have been out, has been out, are in, are being over. Correct answer is has been out. The army has been out called to carry out rescue operation. Next question. Choose the one which is nearest in the meaning of the underlined word in the sentence. The parrot was not denied the joy of arboreal life. Living in desert, living on the sea, living in trees, living in sky. Correct answer is living in tree. Next question. Select the one which best expresses the same sentence in the passive voice. Many primitive people had used to pictorial symbol. Correct answer is option number 3. Pictorial symbols had been used to many primitive people. Next question. Rearrange the given parts of the sentence which are labeled P, Q, R and yes so far from the following meaningful sentence. Choose one of the following correct sequence. I met old man born in the city, rich family, near our town, of the river, living on the bank. Correct answer of this sentence is option number first, P, S, R, Q. Next question. Choose the most correct alternative which is best expressed the following sentence in indirect speech. Means narration. The mother said to Sadhana, why are you nervous today? Correct answer is option number 3. The mother asked Sadhana why she was nervous that today. Next question. Choose the correct use of modal auxiliary expressing a habitual action in the past. Correct answer is option number 3. He would play football in his youth. Next question. Choose the grammatically correct sentence from the given sentence. Correct answer is option number 2. Unless we can imagine a future, we cannot create it. ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट, ऑप्शन नंबर 3, ऑप्शन नंबर 4 का चुकीचे आहेत हे शोधण्यासाठी आणि बघण्यासाठी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये जी इयर वाईज लिंक दिली आहे तिथं जा आणि डिटेल व्हिडिओ बघावा. द यंग ऑफ द डियर इज कॉल्ड कोल्ड, फॉन, कब, वेल्प. करेक्ट आन्सर इज फॉन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सिलेक्ट द एंटोनिम ऑफ ब्लिक. सिलेक्ट द एंटोनिम ऑफ ब्लिक. ब्राइट, confusing, uncertain, grim. Correct answer of the sentence is option number first, bright. Next question. Choose the correct use of not only but also in the given sentence. She was both humbled and exalted before my eyes. He was not only both humbled but also exalted before my eyes. This question is cancel. हा क्वेश्चन कॅन्सल झाला आहे, विभागाने तो कॅन्सल केला आहे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट सिंपल सेंटेन्स फॉर द गिवन सेंटेन्स. माय मदर अँड आय डिस्कस द न्यूज अँड बिल्ड बॉन्ड विथ द लार्ज युनिवर्स. करेक्ट आन्सर इज ऑप्शन नंबर 4. डिस्कसिंग द न्यूज, माय मदर अँड आय बिल्ड बॉन्ड विथ द लार्ज युनिवर्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Choose the one which best expressed the meaning of the underlined phrase in the given sentence. He burned the midnight oil to pass the IAS examination. Correct answer is worked late into the midnight. Option number 3. Next question. Select the grammatically correct sequence. Grammatically correct sentence. One of my friends is a lawyer. Next question. Choose the correct use of present perfect continuous tense of the given sentence. Present perfect continuous tense. We have tried various homospoon remedies. Correct answer is option number 4. We have been typing various homospoon remedies. Next question. Choose the most suitable alternative to make the sentence grammatically correct. When I reached the station, the train had gone. Option number 2. Last question. Choose the correct grammatically correct sentence. Correct answer is option number 3. Neither of the two brothers is sure to pass. Next year question. 2014चा पेपर. यामध्ये पॅसेज आणि कन्व्हर्सेशन दिले. ऑप्शन क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट. करेक्ट आन्सर इज ऑप्शन नंबर 4. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड. करेक्ट आन्सर इज ऑप्शन नंबर 3rd. Next, question number 3rd. Choose one which is the best express the meaning of the given word. Nauseity, tempt, sicken, despise, detest. Correct answer is sicken. Next question. Choose the word nearly opposite in the meaning of underlined word in the sentence. Sudhir used to disparage his neighbor every now and how. Denigrate, belittle, praise, criticize. Correct answer is praise. Option number 3. Next question. Choose the one which best expresses the meaning of the underlined idiom. Pihu had to look high and low before she could find her scooter key. Now ever, always, everywhere, somewhere. Correct answer is everywhere. Next question. Which one of the following is not correctly matched as one word substitution for the given phrase? A person who betrays a friend, traitor, a sea abounding islands, archipelago, contempt of God, blasphemy, a house for storing grains, go down. Correct answer is a house for storing grains, go down. Next question. Reading poem. Question number 7, 8 and 9. Correct answer of question number 7 is option number 3. Question number 8. Option number 1. Question number 9. Correct answer is option number 2. Next question. 2014चा पेपर हा थोडासा वेगळ्या पॅटर्नचा आला होता. Find out which part of the sentence has an error. My observation is that between Vinayak and Santosh, Vinayak is the most intelligent. No error. Correct option is option number 3C. Next, dialogue writing है. Question number 11. Correct answer is option number 4. Dialogue writing ऐसा है. Question number 12. Correct answer is option number 3. Question number 13. Correct option is option number 2. Next question. Choose the most correct alternative. My house roof is leaking. The roof of my house is leaking. My house is out of repairs. Correct answer is only B is correct. Next question. Pick out the most effective word to fill in the blanks to make the sentence meaningfully complete. The unruly behavior of the students, their teacher, tempered, classed, aggrieved, incensed. Correct answer is option number 4. Incensed. Next question. Choose the most appropriate alternative to fill in the blank. The teacher ordered Kamal to leave the room and him to return. Stop, refuse, forbade, challenged. Correct answer is forbade. Choose the correctly spelled cyanocones. Correct answer. Question number next. Choose the most appropriate alternative. He neglects attending dash dash church, though dash dash church is only few yards from his house. No article the, no article the. Correct answer is option number 1, no article and the. Next question. Choose the appropriate alternative. A man of honor adheres dash dash his conviction even if other jeer dash dash him. Correct answer is 2 at option number 4. Choose the appropriate alternative to fill in the blank. Who dash dash such a behavior by. Correct answer is where you taught. Option number 3. Next passage. Question number 21. Correct answer is 2nd. Question number 22. Correct answer is 1st. Question number 23. Correct option is 4. Pranesh is afraid of marriage. His family thinks that he is suffering from xenophobia, gerophobia, gynophobia and gamophobia. Correct answer is gamophobia. Next question. Name the figure of speech. Name the figure of speech of the following line. Failure are the pillars of success. Paradox, hyperbole, oxymoron, euphemism. Correct answer is paradox. Next question. Choose the one which best expresses the same sentence in the passive voice. Jack offered me a seat. Correct answer is I was offered a seat by Jack. Next question. Choose the most correct alternative showing indirect narration for the given direct speech. Mother said to me, don't run in the sun. Correct answer of this sentence is option number 3. Both A and B are correct. Next question. Fill in the blank by choosing the correct alternative. Dash dash. The resistance offered by him, the police arrested him. Concern, viewing, notwithstanding, regarding. Correct answer is notwithstanding. Next question. Choose the correct alternative. Fill in the blank. The gold mine in India is dash dash the gold mine in Africa. Superior to option number 4. Next question. Choose the most suitable alternative to make the sentence meaningfully complete. If I knew his address, I would give it to you. Question. Answer number 3. Last question. Choose which one of the following is correct. Option number 3. A summons has been served on him. 2014चा हा पेपर थोडा आउट ऑफ पॅटर्न होता. बाकी आपण 2020, 2018, 2017, 2016 आणि 2013 या पेपरबद्दल आता चर्चा केली तर ते एकसारखे आहेत. 2014चा पेपर थोडा आउट ऑफ पॅटर्न होता. आपण आता नेक्स्ट पेपर बघूया 2013. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. चूज द करेक्ट क्वेश्चन टॅग. नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल. इज इट? Isn't it? If they, are they? Correct answer is it? Next question. Choose the correct simple sentence for the given sentence. The criminal removed all traces of this crime. He left the building. Correct answer is option number 3. Removing all traces of his crime, the criminal left the building. Next question. Choose the correct passive voice for the given sentence. Why don't you teach the student? Correct answer is option number 4. Why are the students are not taught by you? Choose the degree sentence for the given sentence. Temperature is one of the most important physical factors. Correct answer is very few physical factors are as important as temperature. Option number 2. Next question. Choose the correct use of though in the following sentence. Sudhir is dull. He studies hard to get good marks. Correct answer is option number 1. Though Sudhir is dull, he studies hard to get good marks. Next question. Choose the rhetorical question for the following sentence. Pihu decided to hide her in office. Correct answer is option number 3. Didn't Pihu decide to hide in her office? Next question. Choose the correct exclamatory sentence for the given sentence. The task has been very laborious. Correct answer is how laborious the task has been. Option number 2. Next question. Choose the correct indirect speech of the given sentence. John said to man, are you her friend? Correct answer is option number 1. John asked the man if he was her friend. Next question. Name the underlined clause in the given sentence. Note it properly lest you may forget all about it. Adverb clause of reason, adverb clause of result, adverb clause of purpose, adverb adjective clause. Correct answer is option number 3. Adverb clause of purpose. Next question. Choose the one which is best expresses the meaning of the words apogee, climax, beginning, middle, bottom. Correct answer of the sentence of this apogee is climax. Next question. Choose the word opposite to the meaning in the word perverse, compliant, fraction, intractable, obstinate. Correct answer is compliant. Next question. Identify which part of the sentence has an error. One should make his efforts if one wishes to achieve success in his organization. No error. Error in second part B. Choose the one which can substitute for the given sentence. A post without remuneration. Voluntary, sinecure, honorary, involuntary. Correct answer is honorary. Choose the one which best expresses in the meaning of the given idiom. To keep the ball rolling, to earn more and more, to work constantly, to keep the conversation going, to make the best use of it. Correct answer of the idiom is to keep the conversation going. Choose the correctly spelled bouquet. Option number 2. Pick out the word that is either most nearly in the same meaning or opposite in the meaning, either synonym, either antonym. Dishonest, quiet, caution, secretive. Correct answer is secretive, option number 4. Next question, choose the grammatically wrong sentence. Option number first, apples are sold by a dozen. Next question, identify the figure of speech in the following: simple, erect, severe, obstinate, sublime. Repetition, synecdoche, litos and climax. Our answer is climax. Next question, choose the correct preposition. We are accountable dash dash for God for our actions, at, for, to, in. Correct answer is 2, option number 3. Next question, choose the correct article. Dash dash Declaration of Independence was drawn up in 1776. Correct answer is the option number 3. The young one of dog is puppy, the young one of hare is leveret, kid, saginet, foal. Correct answer is leveret. Next question, the cry of duck is quack, the cry of pig is squall. Next question, the diminutive of the book is a booklet, the diminutive of a river is reticule, rivulet, ringlet, streamlet. Correct answer is rivulet. The phobia about ear is erophobia, the phobia about old age is nosophobia, pyrophobia, aglophobia, gerophobia. Correct answer is gerophobia. Next question, identify which part of the sentence has an error. One of the most widely spread bad habit is the use of tobacco. No error. Correct answer is option number 2 B. Next question, depend on poem. Question number 26, correct answer is 3. Question number 27, correct answer is 4. Question number 28, correct answer is 2nd. Question number 29, correct answer is option number 3. And last question, answer is 1st. अशा प्रकारे आपण 2020 ते 2013 या पूर्ण 6 प्रश्नपत्रिकेचा ओझरता आढावा घेतला आहे. व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास लाईक करा, शेअर करा, आपल्या मित्रांनाही पाठवा. तसेच ओएसिस करिअर पॉईंटचे यूट्यूब चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा. धन्यवाद.